Daniel, and today I'm going to be doing a toy review of all my toys. Sonic toys. So let's start with the first one. The ending is going to be super cool. First one is Knuckles. Look at that design. Look at that design. Look at that design. Look at that design, boy. Next up, we got Amy Rose. This girl is, yeah. Next up is Metal Sonic. Next up, speaking of Sonic, next up is Sonic the figure, the Hedgehog. Next up is the Dark Supersonic. Next up is Tails the Fox. And the moment you all been waiting for, Super Sonic! I'm gonna throw it at your people's face. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you make that subscribe button go gray. And I will see you guys in the next video for another toy review. Thank you so much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And make sure you leave a comment if you would like to see more.